Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot verify server identity. The identity of app cannot be verified in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this issue that whenever you try to download or install any app, you might see an error that cannot verify the server identity. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you have to simply go back and just try to update your software because sometimes it might be that the software update might tell these errors. Open your settings, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, you have to try to install that app from only your app store. So like when you have to try to use only your app store to download or install apps. Avoid to use any other third-party service. So after doing this, you have to simply go to settings, go to content and privacy restrictions and your screen time section, and you just have to try to disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling the restrictions, just go back and just go to the general section and go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset and select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select Reset Network Settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. Or after resetting your network setting, I recommend you have to try to make a forced restart before you retry. So just quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just simply release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.